1, 2, 3. Wait, get back up. Hurry. No, he's training for football. 1, 2, 3, hip. Again. 1, 2, 3, hip. Again. 1, 2, 3, hip. I'm working on his down ups. Ready? Go again. 1, 2, 3, hip. 1, 2, 3, hip. Noe. Noe, can you say football? Say football. Even though I think you should do more like t-ball or soccer.